All right, for this lesson, you are reading an Irish folktale called Finn McCool. Now, this is not just a folktale that someone came up with for our reading unit. It is a known folktale, right? It's been passed down. That's what makes it a folktale. And there's lots of other versions of it. Okay? Happened a long time ago. In this case, it's from the Irish culture, so from Ireland. Now you can see this is another book that's published. Okay? Lots of different versions of this same folktale. And it's actually based on this real rock formation that you can find in Northern Ireland. Has these very cool sort of pillars that are almost like octagons stretched out. So like prisms, like octagonal prisms. Actually, I've even been there. You can see there I am when I was in high school. It's a very cool place. Anyway, that's just some background. So you know kind of where it came from. There's this rock formation, and sometimes people try to explain why it's there. So there's these giants, and this thing happens between them. One's Scottish, one's Irish. So you're going to circle 3 compound words. Remember, it could be combined, it could be hyphenated, or it could be just 2 together. That's like one idea, like griddle cakes. Griddle cakes are a thing that are like pancakes, or there's definitely at least 3 hyphenated ones. Tell me, why did Finn McCool run home? How did Finn McCool and his wife trick Ben and Donner? Underline evidence to show where you found how they tricked him. And then how do you know that it is a folk tale? So again, how do you know? Okay, did it happen a long time ago? It was found in a specific culture. Did some character learn a lesson? And folktales aren't realistic most of the time. So this one has to do with giants. So not realistic, but it's this idea of like, ooh, long ago this happened. And so here, children, learn this lesson and don't be like this. Okay, stories are a powerful way that cultures use to teach lessons, because just telling you, don't trust strangers, okay, whatever, kids are like, oh, it doesn't matter. But like with the Kelpie, if you're like, oh my gosh, she almost was killed by this Kelpie, don't trust strangers, kids are like, oh, okay, I don't want to be like that. It's much more powerful to use a story to teach a lesson than just to tell someone a lesson. So that's one thing that folktales did, is they communicated those lessons in a more powerful way. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, make sure you are doing your best, writing good, even if they're not complete sentences, really explaining your answers. Good luck.